If you want to learn how to make amazing patterns inside of Photoshop CC using nothing more than a few brush strokes, then you're in the right place, and that's here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. Okay, so here I am inside of Photoshop CC 2020, and I have my brush active, and I am using one of Kyle's brushes for this, but you could use any brush of your own. And what I'm going to do is add myself a new layer here and then just draw some stuff on it. So I'm just going to draw some lines here like so, not really after anything particular, just going with the flow. I'm going to change the color out now, so I'm just going to add some little bits of color here. Again, not trying too hard with that at all, not worrying about the lines and all of that stuff. Let's come up and make that a bit more orangey around here, so I'll just add this in. Okay, and maybe just a bit more up here like so, and then possibly some sort of magenta just down here, something like that, and maybe even a bit there like so. Now, for some reason, I just feel compelled to just go ahead and just define some of those strokes in there. I do kind of want them in. And once I've done, that's the tile for my pattern. Of course, I need to make it into a pattern. And what I'm going to do is use the CC Libraries panel. Because down at the bottom here at the plus, if we click, we have this option to create from image. Now, if you've ever used Adobe Capture on a mobile device, this is like a small set of capture that lives directly in Photoshop. So I'll just click here and the interface opens. Now you can see already it's generating me quite a fabulous pattern there from the artwork as it is. But I have some other options. The first of which is if I want to change the pattern generation type, then I can choose from these options just here at the top. This is a grid, for example, and a hex. I'll just go back to the original one there because I liked that quite a lot. I can then choose whether this is in color or in grayscale, and it will do that conversion for me. I can scale the image here inside of the tile. So this small triangle here is where the pattern will come from. And if I move this around, you can actually see that happening just there. And I can also rotate it, okay, to change its position. You've got all of these different possibilities that you're just cycling through nice and gently like so. And you'll end up with something that you like. Now, for the purpose of this particular demonstration, I think I'm going to go with exactly what I have here with just a tiny bit of tuning. There we go. I really like what I've got there. All I need to do is to hit Save to CC Libraries. That then gets added to my CC library, so I can close out the panel just here. And here is that actual pattern tile. And I can drag that onto the image. Okay, it comes along as a pattern fill layer like so. And to adjust it, I simply double click on the layer thumbnail here, where I can change the size of the pattern. You can see I can go way small and also super big in there. So plenty of options, and I can even rotate the pattern around as well if I want to. So I'll just hit OK here. I'm going to go for the layer underneath, and you choose Option Delete there to fill that particular layer with black. I think I'm going to tune that again here. I'm going to drop that down in size here. So let's go for, I don't know, something like 10 maybe, or 11. There we go. So there you are. That's how you can quickly make as many patterns as you like directly inside of Photoshop. And for now, we're done, and I'll see you next time here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo. See ya.